If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm about to showcase, hands down, the absolute best contact lenses on this planet. Why are they the best? Because they cover brown eyes like no other contact lenses do. They look like they're real, right? That's why I'm so passionate about these contact lenses. If you're interested, keep watching. I'm going to be showcasing the brand new HIDROCOR Rio collection by Solotica. After that, I will be showcasing the other Solotica lenses, but in the 2018 Opacity. I got the lenses from lens.me. If you want to use my referral code, you can get $10 off your first purchase from lens.me. That's mentioned in the bio down below. Check that out. So, are you guys ready? Let's go. These are my real eyes. They're brown, as you can see. Oh my god. Wait. I don't know how this looks on camera. In person, this looks so pretty. This is like Adriana Lima or Megan Fox or like Aishwarya Rai. Hold on, I'm gonna put on the other one. You guys, I can't. Like, this is so pretty. I can't. Like, look at it. It's gorgeous. This is definitely not subtle. It's like, bam, in your face. But it is so natural looking. Like, I'm just looking in my mirror right now and holy sh... This is... So the outer corner, it's like this cool blue. And then inside, it has these like yellow, warm brown tones. And a little bit of like sea green as well. It's just so pretty. You know what this would look really good with? A really nice winged eyeliner with red lips. I think this would be perfect for it. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. These are the Copacabanas. These are like Emma Stone's eyes. Kind of like a sea mist green. Okay, I really like these lenses, but I think someone who has red hair or like burgundy hair or around those tones, I think this would look so good on them. It might look blue on camera, but this has like green undertones. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it's really pretty. Okay, I have to admit, this is really pretty. You are just so gorgeous. These are the HIDROCOR Rio PARATI or PARATI, and these are not working for me. These do look a little zombie-ish to me, like borderline zombie, not gonna lie. This might look better on camera than it does on person. Like in person, it's not that flattering, to be very honest. It is natural, so to speak. It doesn't look like I'm wearing contact lenses, but this color just does not fit all of this. It's almost fully white with a hint of blue, like a very slight hint of blue. Yeah, I can't seem to like this color. I'm sorry. So here, you guys just take a look at it and you be the judge. I'm wearing BUZIOS, HIDROCOR BUZIOS. To be very honest, this is like a very extremely subtle green with some brown undertones. It's like a very thin layer of green. It's not as opaque as a Copacabana, but mind you, the Copacabana is still very, very natural. It's such a subtle green that if you have brown eyes and you're going out at night, nobody would be able to tell that you're wearing contact lenses. So if this is something that you're going for, if this is what you want, this is a color for you. If you want naturalness and you still want people to look at your eyes and be like, wow, you have gorgeous eyes, go for Copacabana. That's only if you're into like the greenish color. I don't think it looks that good on my skin color and my, like, all of this. So what do you think? The next few lenses are very similar in color, so I'm going to be comparing them. Here we have the natural colors QUARTZO and CRISTAL. By zooming in, we can see that the CRISTAL is a lot cooler than the QUARTZO. In person, the QUARTZO has yellowish and greenish tones to it, whereas the CRISTAL does not. Compared to the Natural Colors Crystal, Natural Colors Ice is a lot cooler. It's more towards the bluish side, whereas the Crystal is still a little warmer. I feel like Solotica has really stepped up their game this year. All the colors are like up there. You guys, I got these lenses from lens.me. Go check them out. The cost per single lens is $44.50 USD. So I'm going to show you the box that I got these lenses in. I'm going to show you how beautiful they decorated it. They really take care of their customers, and I mean it. They send handwritten messages to every single customer that orders from them. That's really cute. And they send Oreo cookies. How cute, you guys. Just listen to me. I'm a big foodie. So when someone gives me food, I love them forever. Yeah. So the lenses came in a box like this. The 2 vials are going to be on each side, and the contact case is right in the middle. When you take them out, it looks like this. I would like to say thank you, Lens.me, for sending me all these lenses to review. I absolutely love them. If you want $10 off of your first time purchase, use my referral code, which is mentioned in bio below. Using the referral code is actually better for you, and I'll explain why. If you're making a first time purchase from any website, including Lens.me, if you use a 10% discount, notice I said 10% discount. 10% discount is like $8 or $9 off, depending on how much the contact lens is. But with the referral code, you get flat $10 off. So you're actually saving more. You do have to sign up, and I know it can be a little annoying, but hear me out. You sign up once, done deal. That's it. You don't have to sign up ever again. This way, you can repeat your last order again and again and again. And that's it. Use my referral code to get $10 off from your first time purchase. To be honest, you can actually just use any other email to sign up every single time so that you get $10 off every single time. Shh. Don't tell them I told you that. And hey, I get it. If you're not into this whole signing up business, I hear you. For everyone that doesn't want to sign up, for everyone that's not a first-time buyer but wants a 10% discount for every purchase they make, well, I got you covered for that too. Go to mastervisionlens.com and use my code Vartika for 10% discount. Alright, let's get into the shipping and all that business, okay? So these lenses actually came really, really quickly. On Men's.be website, it says, alright, you know what? I'll just tell you the gist. So basically what they're saying is that if they have the product available in stock, they will send it out to you the same day. Well, usually they'll send it out to you the same day. And if you order before 2 p.m. and you're in Dubai or in the UAE, you will usually get the product the same day. How amazing is that? And if you're one of the GCC countries, I don't know what that is, but you can Google it. You will get the product in 3 days. That is amazing shipping, amazing customer service. That's just great. Oh, did I mention it's free shipping over 50 USD? Because you're not just gonna buy one lens, you're gonna buy them in pair. So it's gonna be over 50 USD, right? So free shipping for you. How great is that? Natural colors have like the dotted ring around. HIDROCOR has no ring around the lens, and the HIDROCHARME has a solid ring around the lens. So my favorite lens in this collection is, drumroll, it's the HIDROCOR Rio IPANEMA. I'm pronouncing this wrong again. Guys, someone just tell me how to say this, please. Just mention in the comments below. So that one is my favorite, okay? I'm just gonna write it down somewhere here so that I don't screw up myself again. My second favorite, and surprisingly, this is a tie. The graphite, the mel, and the ochre. I just wanted to say that. The graphite, the mel, and the ochre. These are my second favorite, and I cannot decide between them because they're so, like, I don't know what it is. This year's opacity is so amazing. I'm just gonna mention them below, like in a list, so you can see which one my favorite is, and then my least favorite. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, any comments, just mention them below. I will actually go through each and every comment and I will reply back to them even if they're trolls. And if they're trolls, I will just laugh it off with you guys. So I'll see you guys later. Till next time. Bye. Okay, wait. Don't go anywhere. I just wanted to say one last thing. If you want to see live review of these contact lenses or any other contact lenses from this collection, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Vartika Sharma. Every Thursday at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm not going to do it this week. I'll start from next week. So I'm going to set up a poll and ask you guys what contact lens to review on Instagram Live. And you guys let me know. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I don't know what okay, bye.